Menteri Rang Barim Jong ka Sorkar Jela, Dr. Mukul Sangma, lembat ki khatwingut ki MLA Kongres, kilalait ban penyaso yaladi, Syaka Parti Trinamol Kongres TMC, kabadai ka Seng kabalayalam, da ka Mamta Banerjee, kabadairu ka Menteri Rang Badu Jong ka Jela West Bengal. Haba jubab ya ka jengkli, balai ba ulajit ban Rung Syaka Seng TMC, Mukul Sangma ulong, baka jingtemu kalong, banyak khun persya, ya KHUBOR kum ka parti BJP, kaba persang ban wanra ya ka sensyar khadar, ban penpaj penpra, ulabu jingkeliru, ke ka parti kabomdon, bat ka BJP, bat ulo ongru, baya kani ka Sorkar senro bayalam da ka NPP, haka jela la thau da ka BJP.
Now, you cannot compare All India Trinamol Congress with NPP. You have to look at what we have referred to as the shared agenda, shared objective. The whole objective, the whole ideology that this political party is associated with, affiliated with, is completely different from NPP and other political parties. It's simple. They are fighting against those who nurture an ideology which is not, I must say, compatible to our nation with diverse background of people, and it's not compatible to the kind of socio-political spectrum that this nation has. And therefore, I think we have a very clear understanding as to why we have aligned ourselves and marched with All India Trinamol. See, we do not want to share the same rhetoric what BJP has initiated. Our job is to reach out to the people. We have every reason to believe that we'll be able to get the trust and confidence of the people, because people of the state of Meghalaya, and we are going beyond the boundaries of the state of Meghalaya. Our responsibility is to look at what happens in Delhi does affect our life. Okay. What is decided upon by Government of India also affects us. Doesn't it affect? Therefore, I say that everybody has to be directly or indirectly connected with political parties. If somebody is saying that, oh, I'm not bothered, well, he's not bothered, but you are in the same ship. We are in the same boat. If the boat sinks, you sink. To get things corrected, in order to enable all of us to be able to optimally utilize our potentialities and do justice to the position and space that we occupy in public. As opposition in Meghalaya, you must appreciate one fact, that as opposition, we have definitely responded to our call of duty. We have not failed in our responsibility. But as a national party, you are also required to see, as a party, as a team, where are you? Are you really being able to respond to your call of duty after having the mandate as an opposition across the nation? And how do we respond to that? Now, since we belong to the same family, that's why it's a matter of concern for all of us. We are equally responsible towards our failure or otherwise as public leaders. You have heard me. You have heard my colleague, Mr. George Kunro, sharing, what made us actually decide to identify All India Trinamol Congress. It's a culmination of long-run exercise. Now, exercise towards achieving what? We have a role to play. We have committed to the people of the state and people of the nation. What did we commit? To fight against any force that threaten our very existence, that threaten our cohesive, inclusive character of our democracy, where, you see the divisive forces becoming stronger and stronger. Is anybody fighting hard? Or are they using kids' glove? We can't fight with kids' glove. We have to be determined. We have to take our political opponent hats on, because that's what people expect. We can't just have lip service. Therefore, if you look at the culmination of this whole exercise, ultimately directed towards a political party which share the same objective, the same objective of fighting against the divisive forces. And tell me any other political party, if there is any, in the state. Do we have NPP? They are part of the team. It's amazing that they sometimes speak against each other. But aren't they same? What is NPP-led government? It's a government installed by BJP. And people of the state must understand one thing. BJP leadership knows it fully well that people of the state of Meghalaya, the electorates, are not going to be inclined to vote and support BJP for the reasons best known to all of us. And therefore, they're smart. They have created regional parties who are their B team, and they are effectively, very efficiently operating through this modus operandi. So we don't feel that the people of Meghalaya will not know it. We will keep on telling, we will keep on reminding the people of the state and also the people of the region.
Doctor, you were